Money FM 89.3. Best of breakfast. Companies to watch.
All right, what is on your list today, Danko?
Good morning, Ryan. Welcome back to work. Good to see you after being away for a while.
Break, yeah, long weekend for me.
Yeah, it's quite a long weekend. You were away since last Friday, right? How was your Chinese New Year celebrations?
Always a great time catching up with my loved ones and friends and, the festivities, just going out about town with the spare time. Yeah.
Nice. Now let's catch you up with the companies to watch. And welcome to the segment where we spotlight and stock you up with ideas of companies that will call for your attention. So we're going to look at market trends to risks that might be overlooked and search for hidden gems and warning signs for you to steer clear of. So be part of this conversation as well, 88550893, and tell us whether you think it's going to be hot or not. Ready or not, Ryan?
Let's go.
Okay, what do you think of when you think of a symbol of luxury in Singapore, Ryan?
Wow, I'm thinking of Orchard Road, all the
Thinking out of
big
the box,
brands, the shopping belt. All the big brands who have stores there.
Okay, big shopping malls basically, right? So let's set foot to arguably one of the most iconic integrated resorts here in Singapore. It's located along the Marina Bay waterfront, and we're looking at approximately 1,850 rooms and suites across 3 cascading hotel towers. Okay. You guessed that right. We're turning to MBS, Marina Bay Sands, and with its iconic infinity pool. It boasts the best shopping mall, apparently, in Asia, and the largest nightclub in Singapore. So,
yeah, when I'm at MBS, I normally spend my time in the basement. There is a wing of shops I don't spend a lot of time on, where you've got Burberry and all the big brands.
Yes, yeah. What do you normally go there for?
The food court.
It's expensive, right?
That's as far as I can go.
Very bougie. Okay. All right. Now, the latest buzz on MBS is that its parent company, Las Vegas Sands, its stock had recently jumped more than 7%, even as the casino and resort company reported fourth quarter earnings that missed expectations. And that was largely thanks to its profitable Singapore business, MBS. It posted a 7.2% rise in net revenue to $1.14 billion for the fourth quarter ended December 31st. And that's amid ongoing renovation and refurbishment efforts. So all in all, the group's segments recorded growth, with the casino business, which is its largest contributor to its revenue, rising 6.9% to $792 million. Are you one of them, right?
Yeah, I'm not one of them, but I do wonder, with all the events we've been seeing at MBS, you had Token 2049, you had many other events there. I wonder how much of a spillover happens with that crowd going to events into the casinos.
Tons. I think you can. It's pretty clear to see how, or at least the gambling appetite of people here in Asia has definitely been stocking up its revenue. The integrated resorts adjusted property earnings before interest, taxes, and depreciation and amortization. However, it declined about 1.3%, coming in at $537 million, although that's actually higher than analysts' expectations as well. So, meanwhile, mass gaming revenue from slot machines and non-rolling table wins recorded a total record of $746 million. That's up 27.7% from the year ago period. And it beat the previous high of about 9%.
Okay.
Almost two times, I think. 3 times, in fact. So revenue from the rooms also climbed 6.8% as the average daily rate surged 43.3% from the year before. And hotel revenue per available room was similarly up by, guess what? 43%. And guess how much you would pay for a room or to stay
I'm guessing
there?
Prices went up.
Yeah, it went up quite high, Ryan. Almost $1,000 for a night. Yeah, so occupancy apparently is largely stable for the quarter. That's slipping just 0.1 percentage point from the year ago quarter to 94.3%. So aside from that, more revenue also grew. And according to the chairman and CEO, they're still in the initial stages of realizing the benefits of these new products, and that the strong performance in Singapore is not a one-time thing, nor has it peaked. So it really does show how much potential it has to grow here. In fact, LVS recently invested $1.75 billion to elevate MBS's hotel towers, premium gaming areas, public spaces, and lifestyle experiences as well. Have you got a chance to experience any of these upgrades?
Yet, yeah. But last year was also when Taylor Swift came to town and they had this package going on. So I think that was part of the...
You a Swiftie fan?
Not as big as you, Dan.
What? Okay. I used to be, but yeah. I mean, we'll see whether there are any of these big concerts coming in to fuel some of their revenue as well. Now, on top of that, you can look forward to MBS's IR2. That's the new tower. It's poised to be a transformative development, introducing, world-class amenities from the likes of 570 ultra-luxurious suites, an integrated sky park with panoramic views, main casino area, of course, a state-of-the-art 15,000-seat arena, and the list goes on. So, game changer. This $8 billion development, probably. So the verdict from me today, I'm going to go with hot.
Okay.
What about you, Ryan?
Is the consensus saying when it comes to the analyst community?
Well, it's largely in line with what I've picked. Tip Ranks, Yahoo, and Barron's rating. They've all given a relatively optimistic outlook with a buy rating, and with Tip Ranks giving an average target price of about $61.57, and that's suggesting an upside potential of 42% from its current price. So, Ryan, that's all we have for Las Vegas Sands, or MBS. But before I let you go, here's a fun fact. You know that the Infinity Pool is considered to be one of the largest, or if not the largest one in the world, right? It measures at 478 feet long, 146 meters. That's almost 3 Olympic swimming pools in length. But do you know how much water it can hold?
3 Olympic swimming pools.
Quick math, right? How much water can it hold? The MBS Infinity Pool.
500 million liters.
That's a bit of a stretch, right? 1.4 million liters of water.
Right.
And there you have it. MBS.
Before acting on the information on Money FM, please consider if it's suitable for your own investment objectives, financial situation, and risk tolerance. To listen to more great interviews, download our podcasts at audio.sg or download the audio app. That's AWEDIO, audio at the App Store and Google Play.